Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor. So today, we are painting a simple and beautiful art featuring different leaf shapes and texture. This is a perfect practice for brush control, layering, and color blending. Grab your paint and let's create some leafy magic together. For sketching, just use a soft pencil to lightly outline different types of leaves. You can use real leaves for reference or just let your imagination flow. It's time to do the base layer. Start with the very watery green wash to lay down the base layer. For variation, mix blue-green for cool tone and also yellow-green for warmer tone. I love how each leaf has its own personality. Do you like to draw and paint leaves? Let me know in the comment. Paint each leaf separately, leaving a little white space for highlights. The watercolor tip here. Use the tip of your brush for delicate stems and tiny details. I'm going to keep this painting very simple, a peaceful botanical watercolor scene. Once the first layer is dry, it's time to add depth and texture. Use a slightly darker green to add a second wash to create depth and define leaf veins and edges. Maybe for more variety, mix a little brown or blue into your greens for a natural effect. As you know, we need to be patient with watercolor. We let the second layer dry, and now it's for finishing touches. Let's enhance some leaves with gentle shading and soft outlines. I'm going to add a tiny hint of purple and pink to one of my leaves. I think it makes the composition more lively. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please support me by your likes, subscribing to my channel, and join me for more cozy watercolor session. Thank you and see you next week.